A press release by Association of Ethiopians in Europe on current alarming issues in Ethiopia. The 23rd of March 2024. Number 1. Genocide of the Amhara people. We Ethiopians and Europeans of Ethiopian origin residing in different European countries founded the association about 6 years ago with the approval of a document of commitment, promising to work hard for the sovereignty of Ethiopia, the security of its people and the rule of law. In line with this commitment and deeply concerned by the alarming current situation in Ethiopia, the members of the association and the executive committee made the following statements by way of a press release. In the last nearly 6 years, the government of Ethiopia led by Abiy Ahmed continued dividing the people of Ethiopia along pigeonholed ethnic regions with the apartheid constitution and is attacking Ethiopians based on their ethnic identity. As part of this brutal ethnic cleansing strategy, it is now a matter known to the world that the Amhara people are being massacred using drones and heavy weapons. In the past, we have vocally expressed our concerns to the international community of this horrible act. Abiy Ahmed's ethnic-based Prosperity Party's killing group is using unlimited and unlawful force to stay in power by act of subjugation and genocide. This unprecedented existential threat has led to the inevitable Amhara resistance, and the resistance torch is now on to emancipate its people from this untold level of massacre and put a stop to the serious existential threat. Therefore, we call upon Ethiopians across the globe to organize and oppose this tyrannical government wherever it is. Number 2. Archbishop Petros was not allowed to enter his motherland. Abiy Ahmed's government is constantly orchestrating gross violation against the Orthodox Christian Church, which commands huge respect internationally and has over 60 million followers. Even according to the ill-intentioned ethnocentric constitution, the government should not interfere in religious matters but actually is acting above the law. Last year, when the church was preparing to call a peaceful demonstration to oppose the unlawful coup d'état to create a separate Oromia synod against the canon of the church, Abiy Ahmed went to the patriarch to quell the demonstration. Recently his government denied Abuna Petros, the general secretary of the synod, entry to his motherland, and he was mistreated at the airport. Ethiopian Airlines, which is owned by the people of Ethiopia, cooperated with the racist apartheid government by cancelling the ticket bought by Abuna Petros as an accomplice and confiscated his mobile phone and computer in the same crime against the international civil aviation law and standards of Trans-Alliance Group. There is no doubt that this inhumane crime committed against Archbishop Petros will be committed by many Ethiopians and Ethiopians. As a result, millions of Ethiopians are in danger of even being denied the right to enter their motherland. It must be known to the whole world and no doubt that this illegal and inhuman act will tarnish the reputation of Ethiopian Airlines. We know that this gross human rights violation committed against Archbishop Petros will become the fate of the targeted Ethiopian diaspora, as they would be denied the right to enter their country of origin if they survive arbitrary arrests. Moreover, we strongly request Blessed Archbishop Abraham's, the general manager of the Archdiocese, recent serious questions to Abiy Ahmed about killings, lootings, kidnappings and upholding the rule of law get immediate answers. Number 3. The victory of Adwa. Abiy Ahmed's apartheid government has done a shameful act of disrespect by preventing the people and veterans from participating in the Adwa festival in Addis Ababa, which is the pride of the black people. In the last 2 years, Abiy Ahmed replaced Emperor Menelek's picture with his own, to the dismay of millions of Ethiopians and the black community. The Ethiopians, who realized this conspiracy, went out in droves in different cities of Europe and America and celebrated the victory of Adwa in an unprecedentedly glamorous manner and scale to keep the history of Adwa and Ethiopia alive. Whilst we take pride in taking part in this historical event, we hold Abiy Ahmed and his apartheid government responsible for the attempt to erase the significance of Emperor Menelik in the victory of Adwa and adulterating the history of Ethiopia and the black race. Press release by Executive Committee of Association of Ethiopians in Europe. Our email address, admin@ethio-diaspora.net. Our official website, www.ethio-diaspora.net. Head office, Frankfurt, Germany.